Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now. In this video, we're gonna cover the topic of Pearson correlation product of the IGNOU book. And this video, we're gonna solve the unsolved question number 3 by the help of the Pearson coefficient correlation. So stay with us and let's see how to solve this question. Data showing scores on time taken to complete 2000-meter race and during of practice for 5 runners. Plot the scattered, compute mean, variance, standard deviation and covariance. Compute correlation coefficient, write the null hypothesis. So in this video I'm gonna take you compute mean, variance, standard deviation and through the scatter diagram. We have taken the null hypothesis in our next video. So let's see how to solve this question. We have given 5 subjectives. These are the 5 subjectives that we have taken, that is subject is 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The value that is variable that has given to us is x and y, and the value of x is 31, 32, 36, 26, 38, and the value of data of y is given as 11, 14, 9, 15 and 7. To compute the correlation coefficient, we have to find out first step of find out the x bar, that is our mean, and x bar is sum of observation divided by number of observation. So sum of observation for x bar is equals to summation of x divided by n. N is number of observation and the number of the term. You can say anything. So summation of here from their side is equals to 163. How we get 163? 31 plus 32 plus 36 plus 26 plus 38. So by adding all the value of the x's, we got x is equals to 163. Now putting here summation of x is 163 and n is number of the population or the number of sample we have taken, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 samples which we have to compute the correlation coefficient. So 160 upon my 5, which comes out to be 32.6. Same we have to calculate summation of y, which comes out to be 56, and same in the same manner we have to calculate y bar, which is equals to summation of y divided by n. Summation of y is 56 and value of n is 5. After dividing, we got the value which is equals to 11.2. So we have x bar, that is our mean of x. You can also set x bar as the mean of x, that is 32.6, and y bar or the mean of y is 11.2. Now the next step is to find the difference between x minus x bar. We have to subtract mean from all the value that is data given through the here in x. So 31 minus 32.x, x bar is 32.x, so we got minus 1.6. Now 32 minus 32.x, that is minus of 0.6. Next 36 minus 32.x, that is 3.4. Next 26 minus 32.6, that is minus 6.6. Next 38 minus 32.6, that is comes out to be 5.4. Guys, please be careful when you are using subtraction, addition or product of these two terms. We will do product later, but right now I am just telling you to be more careful when you are putting the sign in front of the digits. So be careful when you are going to putting the sign in front of the digits. Next is y minus y bar. As we have found x minus x bar, same we have to find y minus y bar, and y bar is, that is the mean, which is equals to 11.2. Now 11 minus 11.2 is 0.2. Now 14 minus 11.2, that is 2.8. Next 9 minus 11.2, that is minus 2.2. Next is 15 minus 11.2, that is 3.8. Next is 7 minus 11.2, that is minus 4.2. So here we got x minus x bar and y minus y bar. Now we have to find x minus x bar whole square and y minus y bar whole square. Why we are doing this, I will gonna tell you in the later of this video. So now we have to find x minus x bar whole square, that is x minus x bar, that is 1 minus 1.6, this term square, that is, which comes out to be 216 square is 256, and point is here after the 2 decimal. Same 0.6 whole square is 0.36, 34 square is 11.56. Remember to put the decimal in between the digits. 6.6 square is 43.56. You can use the calculator or you can do by the hand if you are good in the maths, but I will suggest go for the calculator. So right now you can practice your fingers on the calculator, it will be good for you. Next is 5.4, that is 5.4 square is 29.16. Now we have to calculate the summation of x minus x bar whole square, which comes out to be 2.56 plus 0.36 plus 11.56 and all this thing, which comes out to be 87.2. This is summation of x minus x bar whole square. Now y minus y bar, same, we have to squaring the side of number this, that is 0.2, which comes out to be 0.04. 28 square is 7.84. 22 square is 4.84. 3.8 square is 14.44. 4.2 square is 17.64. Guys, here the sign of minus after squaring it got vanished, and or you can say it get converted into the plus. It's not like that I am only taking the positive things or the positive digit. No, when I am squaring the minus digit, that is minus 1 square is always positive. So anything which is in the negative after squaring it get convert into the positive things. Okay, now last step is we have to find the product of x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar. That is, we have to multiply this digit x minus x bar multiplied by y minus y bar. So let's do it. 1.6 multiplied by 0.2, that is 0.32. Next is 0.6 multiplied by 2.8, that comes out to be minus of 1.68. See here I have taken minus sign because minus multiplied by plus it comes out to be minus. So be careful with the signs. So 3.4 multiplied by minus 2.2, that is minus of 7.48. Next minus 6.6 multiplied by 3.8, that comes out to be minus of 25.08, and the last one is 5.4 multiplied by minus 4.2, that is minus of 22.68. Now we also have to summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. The product of the summation of these two comes out to be minus of 56.6. Also we have to calculate the product of y minus y bar whole square, which comes out to be, this portion comes out to be 44.8. So let's see what is our the coefficient correlation of these things. Now the formula for to finding the Pearson coefficient correlation is R is equal to summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar upon में sx sy of n. And what is it? Just wait for a second, I am gonna tell you why we have taken these things. Because sx is standard deviation of x, xx is standard deviation of x. So we know x minus x bar, y minus y bar, the product of x minus x bar and the y bar is 56.6. It you can also write its covariance of xy and summation of that is nx ny into में n. Okay, so by using this formula we got the value of x minus x bar, y minus y bar, but we don't have the value of sx, that is standard deviation of x. So sx is equals to under root of x minus x bar whole square upon में n, that is x minus x bar is 87.2. The above value which we find out is 87.2 divided by n is 5, number of data or number of the term we have taken in the our data, that is 5, which comes out to be 4.17, that is our sx. Now also we have find sy, so that we can put in the formula sy is under root of y minus y bar whole square upon में n. Now y minus y bar is, the value of y minus y bar is, let's see, y minus y bar is 44.8, this one. Okay, so let's put it 44.8 divided by 5, which comes out after solving is 2.99. Now I have value of sx, sy, n is also known for me, and the product of x minus x bar and y minus y bar. So let's put in the solution, that is R is equals to summation of x minus x bar, y minus y bar upon में sx, sy and n. So let's put it in the formula, that is R equals to summation of x minus x bar and y minus y bar, that is this one, summation of x minus x bar and y minus bar, that is 56.6. let's put in the formula, minus 56.6. now sx, that is 4.17, sy, that is 2.99, and the value of n, that is the number of samples we have taken or the number of the population of the total data is 5. Okay, which comes out to be minus 56.6 multiplied by, this comes out to be 62.34, and the result is minus 0.90. So the value of Pearson correlation coefficient is minus of 0.90. Now what did this significant? The value of R, that is minus 0.90, what is its significant? Here minus shows that the linearity of graph is in negative, that is slope is negative. This is first point. Second point, .90 shows that the correlation between x and y are high. That is, if x increase, which implies y increase. If x decrease, which implies y is also decrease. Now the third and the last point, you can sum up with it: scatter diagram. So roughly here I am drawing the scatter diagram. Of course you can see that my drawing is not good. Negative show that the slope is in negativity, and .90 show the correlation between are the high. So the points are very closely related to each other, right? This should be something like this. This is our y axis and this is our x axis. So this is the scatter diagram. I hope guys you understand all the things and the aspect of Pearson correlation coefficient. I hope I am able to clear all your doubts. If you have any kind of inquiry, you can comment it on the chat box, or you can personally ask me on my email address. So from right now, this is all the things that are related to the Pearson coefficient. Of course, we're gonna meet up in our next video. Till then, take care, have a great day, and stay safe, stay home. Thank you guys.